Facebook rants can be so annoying, unless it's a police chief shaming criminals and delinquents, and then it's funny. Hey, I'm Jillian on Buzz60. Brimfield, Ohio Police Chief David Oliver uses the department's Facebook page to post everything from the local traffic and weather, to dogs of the week, to detailed accounts of the people that pass through his precinct. Like this post, which starts, "Good morning, drunken and arrested person. Boy, I bet you have a headache today." After listing what Chief Oliver describes as weak links in this person's chain of intelligence, he apologizes for not giving them the socks that were requested to not catch athlete's foot in the holding cell. Chief Oliver then says that life is about preparation, offering this life lesson: wear shoes when you drink. He's a little harsher in an open letter to meth cooks, which he signs with zero affection, Chief Oliver. The Brimfield Police Department's Facebook page has over 50,000 likes, which is more than 4 times the number of people the department serves. The page gets a lot of praise, but the chief is aware that not everyone likes his technique, and he doesn't mince words about it. He writes, "I'm not changing how I conduct business no matter what type of tantrum you throw, and that's the way it is." Okay then, Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.